So today is our CMA Ball and I am currently on my way there. I'm now here at Marriott Hotel. This is the venue. It's really classy and elegant. Ano to?
Take off our faculty or instructor hats, and we will be serving you together with your loved ones and friends for the candidates.
And from God. Picture this.
The path to success is seldom a straight line.
Not the least, my parents who are here with me, Mama and Papa, para sa ating to.
So here I am also awarded as one of the distinguished top scorers in the CMA exam.
These things matter and reflect. And you can also raise your hands. Raise your hands if you have discovered a new app or a website that's helpful for your studies or work in the past 3 months. Can you please shout out what are the new discoveries that you got?
Gutom na.
Gusto ko yan. Parang talaga siyang vlogging.
Totoo nga. Vlogging cam talaga
So,
siya.
napipick up niya din yung sound.
Yes, napipick up niya.
I learned a lot about artificial intelligence. So with that, let's give Mr. Jonathan Yacob. And for our next kainan na. Yeah, so let's take a break, indulge in some culinary.
Oo nga, nagtayuan agad eh.
Close your eyes, I'm with you. Our love is for the only.
Diba? Cute niya. Finally! Gutom na gutom ang mga first song. Combo-combo na. Dami. At least naman. Ang konti nang nalagay kong kanin. Kasi wala nang hindi nakasya eh.
Hindi na rin kasha. Bakit ang daming tinidor? Ang daming kutsara? Ito ako ng mga pansin.
Ang daming food in fairness. Tsaka hindi ka limited. Kung sakali sa plato mo.
So much, I know my life. You're just sitting there. That's just let me know that it's real. You're just sitting to
All ba mag-round?
Can't take my eyes off of you. You feel like heaven to touch. Oh, I wanna hold you so much. I'm almost lover's night, and I think I'd rather stay than you look. But the minute think I am at home.
Di ba?
Kailangan mo ano?
Kailangan naman. Nasa formal event. Kailangan event.
Para pang mga piyestahan. Kuha lang kuha.
Ganun lang yan. Kakamay na yan. Kayo na pa yun. Sarap to.
Something looking better, baby, is passing through.
And I think it's gonna be a long, long, long.
Dahil ako lang na tayo kumain.
Makati Batch 2012. Miss Diakas is next top scorer with medal. He is
We can just relax and enjoy just being CPAs. We have a lot more reasons to stay. I conquered it with Flying Cock to dream something bigger than the CPA license itself. Thank you very much, Insight. Indeed, when we go...
thank you and congratulations once
Let
again.
us raise a glass for a toast to lifelong learning, to continued improvement, and to even greater success in the years to come. Congratulations again. Let us all have a wonderful night.
Sakto lang. Hindi siya sobrang tapang. Pero
Cheers,
dapat ang amoy,
everyone,
no?
and thank you to Mr. Angel Parasaserio III.
Ay, cheers! Ay, cheers! Congrats!
And to conclude our event for tonight, let us all
Sakto lang pala.
welcome one of the esteemed faculties.
Pala ko
So,
matapang.
nagawa konting tiis pa. Okay? So, this is gonna be the official run. I'll count down with all of your energy at ihiyaw sa huli. 3, 2, 1.
CMA! We have earned it!
Ceremonies this evening, we bid you a good night. And here.